yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be glad.
It's the season of giving, the time for sharing and caring, one dubbed the most wonderful time of the year.
But there are others whose sole purpose is to create mischief and mayhem,
leading to chaos and unpleasant memories. But
we want to keep the merry in Christmas.
And for that reason, the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF is pulling out all the stops to keep Jamaica and the Jamaicans safe.
Those will be miles away.
For this Yuletide season, the police have increased their law enforcement and surveillance activities, deploying an additional 700 police officers across the island.
These additional police officers will be drawn from offices, desk duties, and from the National Police College of Jamaica. In addition, we will continue to rely on the full support from our counterparts in the Jamaica Defense Force.
These law enforcers will be carrying out a number of activities, including crime prevention, public safety, vendor control, and traffic control. Speaking of traffic, the police will be closely monitoring motorists to ensure they obey all the rules of the road.
It is not to scare anyone. We really want for you to have fun and enjoy the festivities with your families and friends. But we want for you to remain conscious as you utilize our roadways from the perspective of safety.
If you are stopped and record a breathalyzer test reading higher than 35 micrograms for every 1,000 milliliters of breath,
then the individual will be taken to the police station where we have the Intoxilizer 8000 machine. The person will go through a certain processing and a printed document is generated from that machine for evidential purposes.
Other road safety tips: wear seat belts and protective helmets. Use a car seat for children. Overtake only if it is safe to do so, and obey all road traffic signs and the posted speed limits.
When you are speeding excessively, the same impact that the vehicle have is the similar impact the internal organs is going to have.
And for those taking public transportation,
illegal taxis doesn't carry any insurance that will protect you in case of an accident. So we encourage you, leave for your various destinations on time, take legitimate transportation so that in case of any eventualities, you know exactly who you can go to treat with compensation or otherwise.
All I really want for Christmas is to be a little bit more conscious. I don't really have to look expensive and dear.
during the Yuletide season, one also has to look out for thieves.
Don't leave valuable items on car seats, as they will provide an opportunity for persons to break into the car and steal these items. The trunk is a safer place. Travel around with credit and or debit cards rather than large amounts of cash on you.
Human traffickers.
We also wanted to pay attention to the recruitment of your siblings and your families into prostitution through means of offering employment as massage, masseuse, and then you're converted into prostitute.
Those wishing to defame or bully individuals via the internet and commit electronic fraud.
Websites that are unknown to you, you need to ensure that before you make that click, you satisfy yourself that you're familiar with where you're going or who you're communicating with. Don't allow yourself to be used as a go-through in terms of persons approaching and asking for you to open bank account to make available to them for use.
And use lengthy passwords, a mixture of characters, numerals, and letters for online banking transactions.
I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time.
During the Christmas season, we should also be wary of persons offering products that are too good to be true.
Scammers, tricksters tend to prey on the young, unsuspecting, the aged, the elderly, and even some of us who are not aware.
Walk in groups, avoid dark and unfamiliar areas. Ask your neighbor to watch your premises if you will leave home for an extended period of time. And to avoid stolen produce, buy meat from reputable places.
If your car is bumped into on the street, only stop if it is safe to do so. If it is not, try to get as much information on the car as possible and drive to the nearest police station or a safe place.
So the JCF is doing everything possible to keep Jamaica and the Jamaicans safe during the holidays. Play your part in the process. Be vigilant, be your brother's keeper, and make this Christmas season a merry one.
All I really want for Christmas is to be a little bit more conscious. I don't really have to look expensive and dear.